Welcome to HealthLynx24, your 24/7 link to expert doctor-backed health advice. If you've ever been woken up by a painful tight cramp in your calf or foot, you're not alone. Leg cramps are sudden, involuntary muscle contractions that can cause sharp pain and temporary immobility, often striking when you least expect them, especially at night. While they're usually harmless, frequent leg cramps can seriously disrupt your sleep, limit mobility, and affect your quality of life. They often occur in the calf muscles and may last anywhere from a few seconds to several minutes. For some, they're just an occasional annoyance. But for others, they can be a sign of deeper issues like nutrient deficiencies, dehydration, or circulation problems. As a medical professional, I've seen how often this issue is overlooked. But here's the good news. You can take control, starting with your diet. In today's video, we're going to break down the 6 most common causes of leg cramps. More importantly, how to prevent and relieve them naturally using powerful superfoods that are easy to include in your daily routine. These foods don't just prevent cramps, they support healthy muscles, nerves, and blood vessels, giving your body the tools it needs to move freely and stay pain-free. So if you're ready to take a smarter, natural approach to muscle health, hit that subscribe button and join the HealthLynx24 community, where we turn real science into real results. Let's dive in. The 6 leading causes of leg cramps. 1. Electrolyte imbalances. Now, let's start with one of the most common and often overlooked causes of leg cramps in adults: over 50 electrolyte imbalances. As we age, our bodies become less efficient at absorbing and regulating minerals like potassium, magnesium, calcium, and sodium, also known as electrolytes. These minerals are crucial for keeping our muscles relaxed, nerves functioning, and the heart beating properly. But when electrolytes fall out of balance even slightly, it disrupts the delicate communication between nerves and muscles. That's when cramps, spasms, and even twitching can occur, often without warning. What causes the imbalance? A poor diet, especially one low in fruits, vegetables, and whole foods, excessive sweating, even light activity, and warmer climates can deplete minerals quickly. Certain medications, like diuretics, can flush out potassium and magnesium. Chronic conditions like diabetes, kidney disease, or digestive disorders that impair nutrient absorption are dehydration. And the most overlooked trigger of leg cramps, let's talk about something simple but incredibly important: water. As we age, especially after 50, dehydration becomes one of the most underestimated causes of leg cramps. Even mild fluid loss can throw off your body's balance and lead to painful, sudden muscle spasms. Why water matters so much? Water is essential for transporting nutrients like potassium, magnesium, and sodium to your muscles, regulating temperature, flushing out waste products, supporting smooth muscle contraction and relaxation. When your body doesn't have enough water, electrolytes become more concentrated. Nerve signals to your muscles can misfire, triggering cramps, especially in your legs and feet. Common symptoms of dehydration include dry mouth or sticky saliva, fatigue, or low-energy muscle cramps, especially at night or after walking, darker-colored urine or less frequent urination, feeling lightheaded or dizzy, especially when standing up. Even just a 1 to 2% drop in body water can affect your muscle function and lead to cramping. 3. Inactivity or prolonged sitting. Let's talk about something many of us don't even think about: sitting too much. Yes, simply being inactive for long periods, whether you're watching TV, sitting at a desk, reading, or even sleeping, can quietly set the stage for painful leg cramps. When you sit or lie in the same position too long, especially with your knees or ankles bent, it can compress blood vessels and slow circulation. This means your muscles aren't getting enough oxygen or nutrients, and waste products like lactic acid begin to build up. The result? Tightness, spasms, or those sudden leg cramps that wake you up in the middle of the night. For overuse or muscle fatigue when doing too much backfires, yes. Even healthy movement, if it's excessive or poorly balanced, can cause muscle overuse and fatigue, especially in older adults. This is a common cause of cramps in people who start exercising suddenly, increase their activity too quickly, or do strenuous chores without proper recovery. When you overwork your muscles, walking long distances, climbing stairs, gardening, or even standing for too long, the muscle fibers get tired and inflamed. As they fatigued, They build up lactic acid and become more sensitive to nerve impulses, which can trigger sudden cramping. Cramps due to overuse are especially common in the calves and thighs and tend to happen during or shortly after activity. Why this affects seniors more often? After age 50, our muscle mass naturally declines, a condition called sarcopenia. This means your muscles tire more easily and recover more slowly. It might feel fine while walking or exercising, but notice tightness or pain later, especially at night. Add in factors like improper footwear, hard surfaces, or lack of stretching, and the risk goes up even more. 5. Medication side effects. Could your prescription be causing your leg cramps? Here's something that surprises many people over 50 sometimes. It's not your muscles that are the problem, it's your medications. Yes, leg cramps are a common side effect of several drugs frequently prescribed to older adults. These medications can deplete vital minerals, affect how nerves and muscles communicate, or even trigger inflammation in the muscle tissue itself. Common culprits include diuretics, often prescribed for high blood pressure or heart disease. They can flush out magnesium and potassium. Statins, cholesterol-lowering drugs that can cause muscle pain, tightness, or cramps. In some users, beta blockers, used for blood pressure and heart rhythm, can alter circulation and nerve signals. Asthma medications may affect muscle activity and hydration. How medications cause cramps? Certain medications may flush out potassium or magnesium through the kidneys, affect calcium balance, especially diuretics, interfere with how your nerves send signals to your muscles, lead to muscle breakdown or weakness over time. This can result in cramps during the day or more often at night. When your body's trying to rest and repair, what to do about it? If you suspect your medication is contributing to leg cramps, don't stop the medication on your own. Speak with your doctor or pharmacist. They may adjust your dose, switch to an alternative, or recommend supportive supplements. Consider checking your electrolyte levels, especially if you're on a diuretic or statin. 6. Poor blood circulation. When muscles don't get what they need. Finally, let's talk about a cause that's especially important for those over 50. Poor circulation. Your muscles rely on steady blood flow to deliver oxygen and nutrients and to remove waste. But when circulation is impaired, especially in the legs, those muscles don't get the support they need, and that can lead to cramping, tightness, or even numbness. How poor circulation causes cramps? When blood flow is restricted, either from narrowed arteries, blood vessel stiffness, or sitting for long periods, your leg muscles can become oxygen-starved. This lack of oxygen leads to fatigue and spasms, especially during activity or at night when circulation naturally slows down. This is why many people over 50 report leg cramps while sleeping or lying down. It's often a sign of circulation issues. Let's dive into tackling muscle cramps and uncover the science behind 4 superfoods. Let's get started. 1. Bananas. The potassium powerhouse for aging muscles. Bananas are more than just a convenient snack. They're a therapeutic fruit when it comes to relieving and preventing leg cramps, particularly in adults over 50. Each medium banana provides around 400 to 450 milligrams of potassium, along with magnesium, vitamin B6, natural sugars, and hydrating fluids, all of which play crucial roles in muscle function and nerve health. How bananas help prevent leg cramps? Potassium's role in muscle contraction. Potassium is an electrolyte that works alongside sodium to regulate electrical signals in muscles and nerves. When potassium levels drop, often due to sweating, diuretics, or age-related loss, muscles may contract uncontrollably, resulting in cramps. A 2015 study published in the journal BMJ Open confirmed that low potassium levels were significantly correlated with increased frequency of nocturnal leg cramps, especially in seniors. It's magnesium for muscle relaxation. Bananas also provide 30 to 35 milligrams of magnesium per fruit. Magnesium helps relax muscles after contraction and prevents overexcitation of nerve cells, which can trigger spasms. Research in the Journal of Nutrition, Health and Aging shows magnesium supplementation reduces muscle cramps in older populations, particularly postmenopausal women and men over 60. Water content aids hydration with nearly 75% water by weight. Bananas also contribute to hydration, a key factor in preventing electrolyte imbalance and cramps. Doctor's insight. For older adults on diuretics, blood pressure medications, or low-sodium diets, bananas are a natural and delicious way to support muscle and vascular health. They can safely supplement electrolyte intake and may even reduce the need for synthetic supplements in some individuals. 2. Eggs. Eggs are one of the most nutrient-dense, affordable, and accessible superfoods available, and they're especially valuable for adults over 50. Packed with high-quality protein, essential vitamins, and healthy fats, eggs play a critical role in muscle maintenance, nerve health, and cramp prevention. How eggs help prevent leg cramps. High-quality protein for muscle repair. Each large egg contains around 6 to 7 grams of complete protein, with all 9 essential amino acids needed for muscle growth and repair. Aging adults lose about 1 to 2% of muscle mass per year after age 50, a condition called sarcopenia. A 2020 study in the Journal of the American Medical Directors Association emphasized that increasing high-quality protein intake helps preserve muscle mass and function, reducing the risk of fatigue-related cramps. Vitamin D for calcium regulation and muscle control. Egg yolks are among the few natural sources of vitamin D, providing roughly 40 IU per egg. While that may not meet the daily requirement alone, it's a crucial dietary source, especially for those with limited sun exposure. Vitamin D aids in calcium absorption, supports neuromuscular coordination, helps regulate inflammatory processes that contribute to muscle tension, according to research in Osteoporosis International. Vitamin D deficiency affects over 60% of seniors and is strongly linked to muscle weakness, pain, and nighttime cramping. Choline and B vitamins for nerve function. Eggs are rich in choline, a nutrient essential for producing acetylcholine, the neurotransmitter responsible for sending signals from nerves to muscles. They also contain vitamin B12, important for nerve myelination and reducing numbness or tingling. Folate and B6 support red blood cell formation and nerve repair. Doctor's note: if you're over 50 and experiencing muscle cramps, especially at night, make sure you're getting enough vitamin D and complete protein. Eggs offer a natural, low-cost solution that can improve both muscle resilience and nerve communication. For those with cholesterol concerns, modern research suggests that moderate egg consumption is safe for most older adults, especially when paired with a plant-rich diet. 3. Nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds are compact nutritional powerhouses, especially for muscle and nerve health. For adults over 50, incorporating a daily serving of almonds, walnuts, cashews, pumpkin seeds, or chia seeds can make a meaningful difference in reducing leg cramps, improving circulation, and supporting long-term muscle function. How nuts and seeds help prevent leg cramps? It's magnesium. The muscle relaxation mineral. Most leg cramps, especially at night, are linked to magnesium deficiency. Magnesium helps regulate muscle contractions, counteracts calcium-induced tension, and calms overactive nerves. A 1-ounce serving of almonds, cashews, or pumpkin seeds provides 70 to 100 milligrams of magnesium, which is about 20 to 25% of the recommended daily intake for adults. Anti-inflammatory healthy fats. Nuts and seeds are rich in monosaturated and polyunsaturated fats, especially omega-3 fatty acids. These fats reduce muscle inflammation, improve blood vessel flexibility, and enhance tissue repair. Vitamin E and B vitamins for nerve protection. Vitamin E, found in sunflower seeds and almonds. It's a powerful antioxidant that protects nerve membranes from oxidative stress. B-complex vitamins help maintain nerve signal transmission and prevent neuropathic cramps or tingling. Doctor's note: many older adults don't realize they're magnesium deficient until cramps, insomnia, or muscle tightness begin. Regular intake of nuts and seeds is a safe, food-first strategy to boost magnesium, protect nerves, and promote smoother muscle function. Without supplements, unless prescribed, just be mindful of portion sizes. Stick to 1 ounce daily to avoid excess calories, and choose unsalted varieties to protect heart health. 4. Beans and legumes. The all-in-one electrolyte fix for muscle and nerve health. Beans and legumes, such as lentils, chickpeas, black beans, kidney beans, and navy beans are true superfoods for anyone struggling with leg cramps. Rich in potassium, magnesium, calcium, and fiber, they offer a plant-based trifecta that supports muscle function, blood flow, and nerve signaling, all crucial for seniors experiencing muscle spasms or nighttime cramps. Beans and legumes help prevent leg cramps. High in potassium and magnesium, Electrolyte balance restored. Most types of beans contain potassium, approximately 500 to 800 milligrams per 1 cup serving. Magnesium, approximately 60 to 90 milligrams per 1 cup serving. These two minerals work in tandem to regulate muscle contractions and relaxation, support nerve impulses, prevent the buildup of lactic acid, and reduce neuromuscular fatigue. Beans are a great source of plant-based protein, averaging 15 grams per cup. Protein is essential for muscle repair and recovery, especially in seniors at risk of sarcopenia. Fiber supports blood sugar balance and inflammation control. Beans are packed with soluble and insoluble fiber, up to 15 grams per cup, which helps regulate blood sugar, preventing cramp, triggering insulin spikes, reduces systemic inflammation, which can irritate nerves and muscles, supports gut health, which improves nutrient absorption. Doctors note, beans and legumes are an incredible, underused remedy for chronic leg cramps in older adults. They not only replenish key electrolytes, but also provide sustained energy, promote digestive regularity, and help regulate circulation and blood pressure, all of which protect against the cramping cycle. For patients on a heart-friendly or diabetic diet, beans are a natural solution that targets multiple root causes at once. Without side effects, leg cramps may be common, but they don't have to be a constant part of your life, especially as you age. By understanding the true causes and incorporating simple, nutrient-rich superfoods like bananas, eggs, nuts, and beans into your daily routine, you can take meaningful steps toward relief and prevention. Remember, small daily changes can lead to big improvements in mobility, comfort, and sleep quality. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and share it with someone who might benefit. And if you've had success fighting leg cramps naturally, comment below. Your story might inspire others. Stay strong, stay healthy, and we'll see you in the next video on HealthLynx24/7, because your health never clocks out.